In the world of concrete industries of diversification, Steeco comes to support the wheels of growth and unveil the industrial capacity as it bears on shoulders, keeping pace with development, expanding entities, creating pluralism to proudly enrich markets with the finest industry, multiplying options and paths. 25 years passed with its distinguishing role that raised the standards and supported full presence in meeting needs of the customers. Steeco Cement Industries Co. Sustainability means the ability to integrate. Steeco Cement Industries Co. initiated its industrial mission in the world of cement by its founder, Sulaiman bin Nasser Al Turki, in 1995. The entity began to attract the most important technologies for the stages of industry in this field. The core herein is highlighted in raw materials. We start from the stone. The available heavy equipment works tremendous power to extract the stone every day, with an average amounted to 4,500 tons that are fully transported. Then, later, more advanced capabilities appeared, provided by Steeco in the processing of international crushers. Machines that work on break raw materials according to measurements and specifications daily, determined by industry inputs required therefrom. And this is represented in the tests upon which the laboratory is based. It sets standards for raw materials and checks the quality of stone inputs as well as measurements. The materials are consecutively transported to sorting places for which the factory prepared an ideal space. The load would be unloaded in the designated places, as this stage requires providing cement, sand, and stone, as well as chemicals, assembly machines, transport machines, well-experienced control and monitor for all mentioned above. In this stage of concrete mixture is completed and the molding stage is ready, while the connected machines are working on molding, interlock forms, types, and material inputs thereto, ensuring a uniformity in their manufacture. Then, interlock products are automatically transmitted to giant drying rooms, with a thermally controlled drying ratio required through pulling moisture to make it hard. This technique is managed according to an automated programming that distributes the product in tracks designated for this, as the drying process takes 24 hours. Finding any deficit in the composition of the cement specifications would stop the work for an entire day. So the products are subject to the harshest quality tests to ensure their effectiveness and compliance with international specifications. This would be tested around the clock to ensure that the products are free from any side defects. The product would be moved to its final stages via automatic belts, where it is received by the assembly stage, so the stage of compacting products begins in line with transportation to the final packaging stage, then to the storage yards, and then to the customers. It is not limited in Steeco to the interlock industry, but also the cement block and pavement stone as well as many varieties, had a large share through which we show our industrial integration and our ability to diversify out of technological readiness. For this purpose, the expansion of the construction by establishing another factory embodies the development march with which we define and stabilize our position. Block production and its various stages of manufacture took a large share of our care to meet the requirements of customers. So we can enrich concepts of trust and translate aspirations into a tangible reality, promoting through its technique the quality policy and multiple options of production to make the difference and raise the standards. Cement mixture, molding, forming, drying, all of that subject to management with unique technology and continuous experience to reach international quality standards. Factory-prepared storage yards receive a daily output of more than 4,000 meters of interlock and 90,000 pieces of cement blocks, as well as various cement products. As we are very keen to provide all freight services, Steeco owns a fleet of modern transport trucks equipped with automated winches working on transportation to customers, taking into account time requirements and emphasizing industrial integration from the beginning of processing up to final processing operations. In Steeco, we have a motive makes us providing the best cement industry solutions. Through unique insights and gigantic technology contributing with the role of a professional partner to the world of cement industries through more quality, more options and diversity. This is our approach that we are proud to make every day. Steeco Cement Industries Co. Quality is existed with the highest standards.